In the previous video we measured the lip distance along this first vertical spline. Now we'd quite like to measure lip protrusion as well. So we've selected this second chart here. We'll edit the analysis values. Again, we're going to create a new one, and this is going to be lip protrusion. Okay. And this again is going to be a 2D spline. This time we just want to measure the position of this upper lip spline along this measurement here. So this fiducial was fiducial spline 4, and the spline that we're measuring is the upper lip. It's measuring the upper lip protrusion. So if we close this now, we should be able to just click on axis, and there we've got a measurement here of the protrusion. So we seem to have 4 points. There we go. There's a peak in protrusion, back down, another peak there, back down, another slightly smaller peak, and then one final peak at the end there. So here we can see these changes in both the distance between the lips and the protrusion of the upper lip. If we wish, we can change the colours of these as well, so to make them more distinct. So I'll make that upper plot, let's say, red. We can make the line a little bit thicker, so it's easier to see. And the lip distance we can make blue. And make that a little thicker as well. And there we go.